want evidence, but only for testimony. Using evidence